In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a manual journal inside of Zoho Books. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho Books like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to Accountant over here in the menu. Then from here, you will see manual journals. And right beside that, you will see this plus icon. This you need to click. Then from here, this page called New Journal will pop up. And here you can add the date, you can add a journal number, a reference number, and notes for this new journal. Then you can add the journal type, where you can add if it should be a cash-based journal. Then from here you can add in a currency, where you can select all of these currencies that Zoho Books has to offer. Then from here, down here, you can add in an account, where you can select all of these accounts. You can also add a description, and you can add a contact USD. You can also add a transition type and a tax. Then from here you need to also put in the debits and the credits for this specific account. Then from here you can also add a new row, and when you click on that, a new row will appear. And if you want to delete this row, you simply need to go over to this red square over here. Just click on it and it'll be deleted. Then from here you can upload the attachments, and you can do that by clicking on this file here. You can also upload a maximum of 5 files with 10 megabytes each. When you're done with all this, you need to click Save and Publish. And when you do that, it'll say up here on the middle that the journal has been created. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!